I'm Alyssa LeBlanc with TRAK Machine Tools. I'm standing in our factory in Henderson, Nevada. Today, I'm gonna give you a breakdown of the TRAK TRL 1630 RX lathe. We introduced this model in 1996, and since then, it has been one of our best sellers. As the name suggests, the 1630 RX has 16 inches of swing and 30 inches between centers. The CNC is the ProtoTRAK RLX CNC, so of course, it is packed with features for small quantity turning. The spindle through hole is 2.12 inches, so it really is the machine in our TRL line for smaller parts. It is a great machine for call-it work. The standard version has a spindle speed range of 150 to 2500 RPM. There is also a high-speed version up to 4000 RPM. The spindle nose is D16, and we sell an optional 8-inch buck chuck. For more automation, the 1630 RX pairs especially well with our optional 4-station tool turret, which we make in the same factory in the Los Angeles area that makes the ProtoTRAK CNCs. The overall product weighs in at 2,750 pounds. For a small machine, it takes a very nice cut, owing to the quality of construction that includes Class 5 spindle bearings, hardened and ground ways, and precision ground ball screws. We do the final assembly of the ProtoTRAK RLX CNC and drivetrain here at our Henderson factory. Over the years, we have developed super efficient flowline processes that keeps us highly productive. The ProtoTRAK RLX CNC gives you the best of CNC in features such as constant surface speed programming, as well as CNC hardware featuring brushless servo motors and premium bearings in the drivetrain. This machine is popular in engineering labs such as you would find in some of the best universities and technology centers in the world. And while I shouldn't name names in this video, your TRAK representative will be able to tell you about other users near you. It really is an impressive list. A demo of the ProtoTRAK RLX CNC is out of the scope of this breakdown, but it really is the big story behind all our products. Almost everyone who sees a demo agrees. The ProtoTRAK is extraordinary in how well it delivers just the right amount of automation for this application. You can see dozens of videos on our website and our YouTube channel. And as our own tracking Pat would say, keep on tracking.